Shapes of distributions. Today you'll learn how to use a graphical representation of data to suggest a situation that produced the data. You'll also be able to use terms like symmetric, skewed, uniform, bimodal, and bell-shaped to describe the shape of a distribution. Let's look at some of these shapes. This first one is called symmetric. A distribution is symmetric when the left and right sides are mirror images of each other's. And some key features of a symmetric distribution are that the mean and the median are equal, and that there is a vertical line of symmetry in the center. This shape shows that it's skewed right. And a distribution is skewed right when the right side has values that extend farther than the other. Some key features of this is that the tail extends to the right and that the mean is greater than the median. Next, we have skewed left. A distribution is skewed left when this left side has values that extend farther than the other. And some key features are that the tail extends to the left and that the median is less than the median. This one is called uniform, and a distribution is uniform when it has data values that are evenly spread across the range. Some key features is that there are no peaks, and every value is roughly equally common. Next is bimodal, and a bimodal distribution has two distinct peaks in a dot plot or a histogram. Some key features are that the data clusters around two common values instead of just one. The last one is bell-shaped. In a bell-shaped distribution, it forms a bell curve with most data clustered around the center. Some key features are that it follows a normal distribution with fewer values at the extremes. Let's practice finding some of these distributions. Which of the dot plots shows a symmetric distribution? And remember, symmetric looks like this pinkish shape where it goes up and then it goes down. So looking at our answers of A, B, C, and D, the one that follows symmetric distribution the most would be choice B. It goes up until 14 and then it starts to decrease again. Which of these dot plots shows a skewed distribution? Here are two examples of what skewed looks like, because it can be skewed left or skewed right. So of our choices A, B, C, and D, which one looks skewed? The only option that fits this one is D. We can see that it starts pretty high and then it starts to decrease until we get down to 1.8 and then it kind of drops off. So to summarize, the shapes of data distributions can tell us a lot about patterns and trends. We have symmetric, skewed right, skewed left, uniform, bimodal, and bell-shaped.